Hi, my name's Dr. Katy Wareing. I'm Director of Strategy and Innovation here at the Ludgate Hub in Skibbereen. Skibbereen is a vibrant rural town, arguably in the heart of West Cork, and the people here are just unreal. Ludgate has provided kind of an anchor to local businesses in the area.
When we first bought the place in Skibbereen, we saw, wow, there's a tech hub down the road, like that's brilliant.
The natural collaboration and innovation that happens here just through the people who pass through is absolutely immense.
The gang who are here have been lovely, very friendly.
We use an incredible amount of electricity, and to be able to offset some of that in a way that is sustainable was really important to us. And one of those things was solar panels. I found Pinergy to be incredibly supportive, really accommodating, so helpful and invested in our project as much as we are. I can genuinely say that through this collaboration, I think we've actually made friends. Over the next 2 years, we're actually forecasting that the total savings will be about 70%. That's an incredible amount of value to our business, but it's an incredible amount of energy that we are able to get from sustainable sources instead of from the grid. Like, you can't argue with that.